Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Bereishit. Bereishit chapter 1 verse 5. Vayikra Elohim la'or yom v'lachoshech kara lala vahi erev vahi voker yom echad. Traditional translation. And God called the light day, and darkness he called night, and it was evening and it was morning, one day. Vayikra. Traditional translation. And so called. The vav is a prefix and means and. Yikra is a verb that means to call out, recite, proclaim, or read. Elohim, traditional translation, God. It is a masculine noun that means God, goddess, godlike one, works or special possessions of God, or the true God. It comes from the root word Elo, which is a masculine noun that means God or false God. La'or. The traditional translation is the light. The lamed is a prefix that means to. Or is a feminine noun that means light, light of day, light of the sun, moon, or stars, daylight, dawn, or morning light. Yom, traditional translation, day. It is a masculine noun that could mean day, time, or year. V'lachoshech, traditional translation, the darkness. The vav is a prefix and means and. The lamed is a prefix that means to. Choshech is a masculine noun that means darkness, obscurity, or secret place. It comes from the root word chashach, which is a verb that means to be or grow dark, to have dark color, or to grow dim. Kara, traditional translation, he called. It is a verb that means to call out, recite, proclaim, or read. Laila is traditional translation, night. It is a masculine noun that means night, gloom, or protective shadow. It comes from the root word lul. It is a masculine noun that means staircase, winding stair, or an enclosed place with steps. Vahi, traditional translation, and it was. Erev, traditional translation, evening. It is a masculine noun that means evening, night, or sunset. It comes from the root word arav, which is a verb that means to become evening or grow dark. Vahi, traditional translation, and it was. Voker, the traditional translation, is morning. It is a masculine noun that means morning or break of day. It comes from the root word bakar, which is a verb that means to seek, inquire, or consider. Yom, traditional translation, day. It is a masculine noun that means day, time, or year. Echad, traditional translation, is one. It is an adjective, and in this case numeric, and means one. Thank you for listening. Shalom.